Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Git installed, a GitHub account, and your notebook saved. Next, initialize your local folder with Git in it and add a clear. Git ignore for checkpoints. Once done, run git add your notebook. Ipinb and git commit m, add initial notebook to capture the state. This creates a local snapshot you can push. Make sure to name commits descriptively so you and others understand why this version exists. Now connect local repo to GitHub by adding the remote origin, using SSH or HTTPS. Once connected, set your primary branch, for example git branch main, then push with git push u origin main so the remote stores your notebook. If your notebook contains heavy outputs or data, strip outputs or use git lfs before committing. This keeps the repo fast and avoids exceeding size limits. Make sure to authenticate when prompted and verify the push completed without errors. Finally, confirm the notebook renders on GitHub and that images and outputs appear as expected. For subsequent edits, you'll repeat add, commit, and push. When collaborating, open a pull request to review changes first. If something goes wrong, like a failed push or merge conflict, use git status to see unstaged files and git log to review commits, then resolve conflicts manually and recommit. Once fixed, push again. Make sure to pull latest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.